If your agents are manually reclassifying tickets one by one, you are wasting time your team does not have. Zendesk macros have a built-in set type action that handles this in a single click, and most support teams have never touched it. Here is exactly how to use it. The ticket type field does more than label a ticket. It shapes how tickets appear in your views, controls how they surface in queues, and determines whether your reporting is actually telling you the truth about your workload. Classifying tickets consistently is the difference between useful data and noise. Zendesk gives you 4 types. Question is the default for general support requests. Incident means multiple customers are hitting the same issue. Problem tracks the root cause behind those incidents. And task is for internal work items that are not customer-facing. Each one has a specific purpose. Mixing them up corrupts your metrics. To get started, head to Admin Center, then Workspaces, Agent Tools, and Macros. This is where all shared macros live. You need admin permissions to create macros visible to your whole team, though agents can always create personal macros for their own use. The path is Admin Center, Workspaces, Agent Tools, then Macros. If you do not see the Macros option, your role may not have the right permissions. Check with your Zendesk admin to confirm access before spending time building macros you cannot save. Click Add Macro to start fresh, or open an existing one to add the type action. Name it clearly. Agents will be applying this under pressure. The double-colon naming convention creates nested category menus that make macros significantly easier to find fast. Under Actions, click Add Action and select Type from the drop-down. A second drop-down appears where you choose the target type: question, incident, problem, or task. You can stack this with other actions in the same macro: priority, group assignment, tags, internal notes, all in one click. This is where macros become genuinely powerful. A single escalation macro can set the type to problem, change priority to high, assign to the engineering triage group, add bug report tags for reporting, and post an internal note, all before the agent clicks submit. Nothing gets missed. Click Create to save the macro, then test it on a real or sample ticket before rolling it out to your team. Open the ticket, apply your macro from the toolbar, and verify the type changed, plus all other actions fired. Check the ticket events log to confirm nothing was skipped. Here is the real-world decision that comes up most often. An agent is handling what looks like a routine question, then discovers it is a bug affecting multiple customers. One macro click converts it to a problem, flags it for engineering, and sets the priority. No manual field hunting required. 2 limitations are worth flagging before you go live. Macros can set a ticket type to incident, but they cannot automatically link that ticket to an existing problem ticket. That step requires manual action or API work. And task, due dates cannot be set through macro actions at all. Plan for these gaps up front. If your team needs automation that goes beyond fixed macro logic, eesel AI connects directly to Zendesk in one click. It reads your help center and past tickets to understand your business, then routes and categorizes tickets using plain English rules. You can simulate it on historical data before going live, so you see exactly what you're getting. Stop classifying tickets by hand. Try eesel AI free at eesel.ai. No credit card required, and you can be live in Zendesk in minutes.